Welcome back, Harbros, to the Harbro channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Happy Easter to you and yours. Hope you're spending some beautiful time with your family and or friends, and or even if you're spending it with the Harbros. We're here for you. Today we're going to do just our parking lot sale prep. Just reminders, some do's, I guess not too many don'ts, but just to make sure we're prepared. If you find this useful, please consider liking and or subscribing. And let's just go ahead and jump in. One of the initial dues, always a do, is do check your receipt. Double check your receipts. There's no real coupons in the parking lot sale. They should be discounted for you at the register. But if you plan on using maybe some of the dollar days, for some of the good dollar days that are out there, 39% off some magnets, or maybe you're going for some of the super coupons, 20% off the 5 outlet magnetic power strip available in purple. Those are the ones you just got to double check to make sure they give you the discount. You don't want to go back in and waste your time. So that is definitely a do. Double check your receipts. But we'll start off with, of course, some of the fire deals. The mini ratchet locking flex head, $40 normally, 35 piece. It's the meme tool, $27, $28. One of the excellent pickups, 30% off if you're going in. And of course, we did a whole video on the Braun. We did a deep dive. 40% off all Braun lights. So some huge pickups to make here. 10,000 lumen multi-directional corded light. Big one. Flashlights are great options. Shop lights are great options. This 500 lumen Braun foldable slim bar light. A lot of people like that one over the ICON. Then, of course, the brand new rechargeable slim headlamp. Some of you have already picked it up. Some of the Harbros already have it. Have it, gotta love it. Of course, elastic ratcheting E-track tie downs. There's some chains included in there. Hardy gloves, straightforward. If you're going after some batteries, just time to stock up on some batteries. 30% off. It's a tough deal to beat. And then, of course, 35% off all Doyle, Icon, Quinn, pliers, and screwdrivers. We did a deep dive here as well. Of course, the 9-inch long nose slip joint pliers compared to Snap-on. Great ones to pick up. Or, I mean, they're here. The 10-inch Icon pliers, $40. There's also some Doyles that are compared to Knipex, but these are great pickups. Of course, right here, like it says, for everyday use. Those are the obvious ones. We have the $72 off of Pittsburgh 3-ton low-profile floor jack. Normally $170, $72 off. Great deal for the meme tool. Of course, we love Braun, and we love the pliers. Going back to the Pittsburgh low-profile floor jack, excellent deal. And a lot of these are pretty excellent deals regardless. We'll always give a fire to the tarp for the tarp bros. This has a Harbro testimonial from Avanti. One of the Harbros emailed in. High praises for the airless paint primer and stain sprayer. $100 off the 3-ton long reach low profile floor jack from Daytona. These US General deals aren't too bad. I guess if you have to pick them up, you can pick them up. If you have to pick them up, then you can pick them up. But they're just okay deals. I'll actually put this more here on the full bank. It's not, actually, we'll put this on the 56-inch. We've definitely seen better for that option. Badland, we know that used to be the original price as well. So that's a tough pill to swallow. These Daytona wheel dollies are an excellent deal at $50 off, being that they have a deal going on right now. I believe it's still going on. And it does not seem to be is not as good of a deal as this $50 off. We did the Harbro math earlier. The Predator, tough to recommend at $30 off. They need to have some steeper discounts than that. Decent deal though. This is like the opposite. Normally these don't go on sale for as much. The foldable solar panel, so that's a great deal. And unless you absolutely need to, the auger not as bad. $30 off though. The Atlas mower leaves a lot to be desired. Glad they're having sales for it, but that is tough. 50% off the random orbit sander. Tough to not give a reminder on that one. That's an excellent deal. These other Bauer hovering over 20%, also solid deals. 33% off for the hammer drill, super solid. And they almost got me with the price. It's going to be a little bit of a radioactive 12% off, but a fire deal at the price. That price is nice. And of course, the Hercules, always leaving a lot to be wanted. $40 off. The speed bandsaw is actually pretty solid, so we'll give that a fire deal. And then $30 off of the benchtop stand is a decent deal. If you need to pick up another mini toolbox, it's a great price to get it at. 14 bucks. I know, only $40 off, 10% off. Tough to recommend these Fortress vertical air compressors. 30 bucks is right there at 20%. Decent deal. 21% off here for the McGraw. But again, over here, $30 off for their vertical air compressor. For McGraw, same thing. They're running into the same radioactiveness that Fortress has done up there. Apache, always solid. They'll get some mini flames because these do go down. I want to say minimum they go to 40% off at one point of the year. I want to say I've seen them down to 50% off at some point of the year. But here, $50 off is not bad. And same thing, 33% off is not too bad to take some flyers if you need the cases. This has been on sale pretty often, but they still have it discounted pretty good. So get some mini flame. Doyle professional flip utility knife is excellent. And then the last page, 50% off anything ICON is excellent, especially for a extractor set, 15 piece at 25 bucks with the lifetime warranty. Some of these are going to break. You'll be able to return it hassle-free compared to Snap-on. So that's a huge flame there. We'll even give it to this Doyle Vice. ICON light, just for being ICON at 25%, gets a mini flame. Haven't heard too much about this light. I think it's been a little bit hit or miss. Mini flame for the $60 off of the cart. We've seen it lower. And those are the musts. Those are the musts for the parking lot sale. Couple of stay away froms, couple of fires. We're going to take a quick look at the other deals going on for the big hitters, floor jacks in particular, maybe some storage, just to make sure there's not some other better deals going on like there was during the last parking lot sale. Dollar days, maybe pick up some magnets while you're in. Tart Bros, $4. Camouflage, instant savings, not too many things to combine off of. Already down to $1.49, but you can get an extra 50% off of these gloves. 50% off Grant's Ultra Plush Edgeless Microfiber Towels 12-pack, $5. So that's something you might want to remember is on sale while you're in. Always good to pick up some towels, and at $5, tough to pass up. This does go through the 9th, so there's only the front end of the parking lot sale. 69-cent tote, don't forget. Super coupons, $27 US General, we already mentioned it. Power strip with metal housing, 2 USB ports. Other Daytona vehicle dollies available, 26%. ICON Creeper at $30 off is pretty decent. It's over 20% off, so good option if you're looking for a creeper. While you're in, Pittsburgh screwdriver set at $8, 22-piece set. And here's the McGraw 20-gallon, 135 PSI oil lube vertical shop auto air compressor. It's at $210, $40 off. This is the 20-gallon with the 21-gallon at only $30 off. 175 PSI, 21-gallon versus 135 PSI, 20 gallons. So smaller, less PSI, but better discount. So just know this is an option. This is an option if you need to. And then, of course, ITC. Yeah, you know me. You down with ITC? We'll go compare what we have available. No aluminum foil. Well, actually, we do. So we have the 2-ton professional racing floor jack with rapid pump, $60 off, $169, normally $230. Solid deal. Solid deal. But we also have at the same price, well, I guess it's a tomato. This one is on the parking lot sale, slightly better deal. Both priced the same, 2.5-ton low profile aluminum racing floor jack, $50 off. So decent deal. Pittsburgh Pro Breaker Bar. Don't forget, one of those things, if you're going in for the parking lot sale, ITC going on right now, we can just put this in here somewhere, 55% off batteries. So if you're going in and you need to stock up on some batteries, not a bad time to do it. And of course, our US General storage section, ITC going on right now, got the 56-inch by 22-inch top chest at $100 off. Way better deal than the US General 56-inch by 22-inch roll cap percentage-wise. But there's an option. And then, of course, the 72-inch by 22-inch Work Center hutch, also $100 off, available in new purple. But those are the reminders that we wanted to give for the parking lot sale coming up. Hopefully, the Harbros and everybody else have their deals ready, have their lists ready, and you have a good week. But I'll leave it at that, Harbros. Hopefully, it's a friendly reminder. Again, happy Easter to you and yours. Hope you have a beautiful day. And as always, happy harbor freighting, happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.